Alan Chen. Angel Llorente. Got it? Angelica Rodriguez. Angel. Anjana Gupta. Come on, Anjana. Carlin Gregorio. Carolyn Hiker.
Yeah, she's fine now. Yeah, congratulations.
Ravinder Adwar.
Thank you. Take care. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Deborah
Thank
Lane.
you.
Diane Law. Diane Law.
Congratulations. Thank you.
John Gerardo.
Kiss. Yeah, he is. Are you seeing that? Yeah.
Ed Wright.
I think he liked being a planner, and even though he was a supervisor, still was one of the boys.
Warren Reed.
Nice to meet you guys.
Give me a camera, I'll take a picture.
Geneva Agaro.
Oh, here.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Gloria Devon. Gurdarshan Grewal.
What's your turn on for photo? Picture, please. One more. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Marisha.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, wait. Can you do it?
Yes.
Harinder Singh Chahal.
Yeah, we'll send it out when we get it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arnice Kaur. Irene E. Mena.
One more time. How are you?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
I took a picture too.
Jerry Eden Oliveira.
Congratulations.
John Shea.
Come on, John! Come on, John!
Let me take a break. I'll take a break.
Fabiola Shah.
Three. There you go. Thank you. Picture.
Congratulations.
Christopher Alcab
Yesterday I ran from my
Kristen Sherry.
But I come out, I go down Shin and I go under the bridge there. Congratulations. And I ran from there, I went out to Florida. So I was about 6 probably. So, but it was, yeah, it was dark.
He's just excited about getting it.
Good, how are you? Well, I timed it wrong. I was enjoying myself. I just didn't know what to do. So, I mean, I have an application on my iPhone, so I'm sitting there with a flashlight on my iPhone. You don't know. Those trails are good, but you don't know. Very easy.
Diane Lau. Lisa Lutra.
I'm going to have Dominic present.
Your husband.
Lucky Johal.
Come on, Lucky!
I'll do it just a hug. Congrats.
Are you a teacher? No, I'm not a teacher.
How are you? Get over here. Good to see you. How's
He's a special.
how is Ruby and Rosie doing?
I met you in the thing too.
Maria Avelino.
I haven't seen her for about 2 months.
Maria Gonzalez. Marina Bahan. Michael, we're dad mounted. Sorry, but I'm Michael.
Oh, no, you? Oh, my goodness.
The red jacket.
Mira Montani.
There you go. You can sub it. Congratulations.
I thought I was going to see a secret handshake. I know. That's why I was looking.
You're a disaster. Okay. When you have an instruction like that. Congratulations.
Merla Raimondo.
I know.
Yeah, you're right. I get it. I understand that.
Bravo, thank you.
Well, Dominic has the same problem with autographs.
Oh.
It's very difficult. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So you can get home for like 5 No. 5:30. You're back by 6:30.
Yeah, 6:30.
Well, you just keep learning and layering. Very good. Oh, shit, thank you. Congrats. Doctor, thank you. Congratulations.
Exactly.
Robert Versace.
Congratulations.
Robert Wallace.
How are you doing?
Congratulations. Wow, what happened?
Bertadan bakmış bu kadar.
He's running towards me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Annie Cherry. Shakuntala Lora.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Done, really.
Allez, ciao. Okay, thank you.
That's Jacqueline's mom, if you don't know.
Yeah, I drink.
Congratulations.
Sharda Chaudhary. Simona Peter. Bismillah Kaur Chahal. Mahendra bhai, you come this side. Congratulations.